Hello traders, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I am going to explain more from that video that I have posted previously about how the candlesticks move and how you can use that to your advantage to properly do your analysis better. But before we begin guys, I want to let you know that we have a Discord, we don't have a Telegram anymore, so the link will be in the description below. I will appreciate if you follow me there also, because we have recently lost our Telegram and all our private members. Please join the Discord and also contact me so that I can add you to their private group. So let's continue with this video. As you all remember, as you see, this is your bearish candlestick here, and this will be the whole movement of the bearish candlestick throughout the weekly time frame. Let's say this is your weekly time frame and then this is your lower time frame, maybe let's say the 4 hours time frame. But if you see a bearish candlestick like this, if the market trades above it, that means you will be looking to sell. Okay, again guys, if the market trades above the previous weekly high here, you will be looking to sell so that you can have a bearish candlestick. So for instance, we close around here and then the market suddenly should lower aggressively, then that means you will be looking to buy, because you will be buying at the low of the next week or low of the current week that is being happening. Okay, I hope you understand this properly. Let me demonstrate with a candlestick here. This will properly do me justice. Let me do something like this. If the market, let's say the market closed around here, this is the current week here. Okay, the market suddenly should lower like this aggressively. Okay, and then you will have a week around here, then the market reverses like this. You will have a week, something like this. So for this video guys, you will be looking to enter around this low of the week, and then the market will move something like this. Let me remove this one here, and then you will be looking for the market to shoot higher like this. So what I mean is that you will be looking to enter the market around this area here, but mostly you won't catch this low unless if you are lucky, but maybe at least enter the market around this area here and then hold the trade until you see a bullish candle. On the following week, you will be looking for the market to push even higher like this. And this kind of trick guys, it works even on consolidation, even on tricky market conditions. I'll try to show you some few examples when we move on with this video. So this is the whole scenario. I'm not sure if you understand me what I am trying to show you here, but you will try to understand when we move forward with some examples. I hope I'm not too fast, but let's try to move on. Maybe let's do some few examples. I'll try with an easy one here. For this example guys, I want to demonstrate the easiest one possible that you can spot and identify and still be able to explain how it will eventually move. So you'll be able to predict how the market will move in the future. But let me show you one little trick. And guys, when we move on to the lower time frame, this is the only pattern that you need. It's pretty much simple. You will need a demand zone around this area and then a fair value gap here. Maybe you can confirm your entries using a confirmation candle around this area here. So let me show you this example quickly. We have this candlestick here. As you can see, we have a high here, and this is the daily time frame. As you can see, the daily time frame, we have a high, we have an open here, we have a close around this area, and then we have a low of the day. This is the candlestick explanation from this area. So in the lower time frame, when the market opens, if it trades below this low here, that means you'll be looking to go long like this. Okay, I hope you understand me on that one guys. And also another thing is that we still have a daily demand zone here. So in the lower time frame, you'll be looking for the market to trade below this previous low. So let's move on to the 1 hour and see how the market did. I'll remove this thing here. So in the lower time frame, we are looking for the market to trade below the previous daily low, and then we will be looking for the market to push higher. So let's move on to the 1 hour. As you can see, we have this kind of structure here, and in this time frame we can see that okay, we have a demand zone below the previous daily low. So that means this trade will eventually try to push higher. So we are looking for the market to trade below this previous daily low and then shoot higher to predict the next candlestick, which is the bullish candle. So let's play back and see how the market did. As you can see, the market started by shooting lower first. That means we have a daily low here. So right now we are looking for the market to close with a bullish candlestick in the daily time frame. And if the market do that, just hold that trade because you already caught the daily low. So on the next day, you'll be predicting that the market might still print out another bullish candlestick. I hope you understand me on that one. So if we play back, we'll see that right now we have a daily low around here and then the market still pushes higher aggressively. I hope you understand me on this one, guys. This is pretty much simple, but you have to back test it more and more. Like for an example, we have another one here, the same pattern. You can see that we have this bearish candlestick here, but the market started by trading lower first to enter this demand zone here and then shoot higher. Let me try to do this. I just hope it will rewind back to let's try the 5 minutes at least. Okay, we have this kind of pattern here. You can clearly see that this is your high, this is your low. We are looking for the market to trade lower and then shoot higher. Let's see how the market did. You can see trade lower and then shoot higher, and then the market even touched this demand zone over here right there, and then the market did some fishy stuff before it can still continue higher. You can see that I moved from the daily time frame to the 1 hour and still find the same thing. That means you can still do this on different time frames, but use the higher time frame as your analysis time frame and then the lower time frame as your entry point. So guys, if you want more of this kind of stuff or even more example, please consider subscribing to the channel and comment below. I'll still make some examples to demonstrate this even better, because I still believe that I can still explain this better, but I'll try to make an effort to make a better video next time. So please consider subscribing, and also don't forget to join the Discord. The link is in the description below. I'll see you on the next one.